Hi there, CoinSavi's community. We have some incredibly exciting news for you today. Get ready because we are launching a brand new task that lets you earn massive rewards just by trading. That's right, it's our auto trading volume challenge, and you can earn up to 2,000 Savi tokens. Let me break down how it works. It's all about your auto trading volume. The more you trade using our auto trading feature, the more Savi you earn. Here's the reward structure. Reach 1,000 USDT in auto trading volume and you'll get 150 Savi. Hit 3,000 USDT and that reward jumps to 300 Savi. Achieve 5,000 USDT in volume and you will bag a handsome 500 Savi. And for our top traders, reach 10,000 USDT in volume to unlock a massive 1,000 Savi reward. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I even get started? It's incredibly simple. Just follow these 3 simple steps. Okay, so let me just walk you through. Let me walk you through so that you happen to get to know exactly how to go about this. If it's been a while since you logged in, you will be requested to update the app. So all you have to do is you click on the avatar in the top left, and then you check out the version here. There'll be a red icon indicating that you have to update the app. When you click here, you will update the app. And then after updating it, you will see this feature here, auto trading. All you have to do is click it, and then you choose the volume that you are trading. Okay, so all you have to do is to deposit. After you deposit crypto, just click the trading volume that you're going by, and then everything will be done automatically for you. You don't need to hustle. So that's how you have to go about this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.